Hello there, my name is Kushal and I work as a data scientist at a very well-renowned company. This will be called as an India's best AI course because we teach everything from scratch. If you don't know Python, we will teach you Python. If you don't know how to understand mathematics of algorithms, we teach all the algorithms. First mathematics, then we learn to code it from scratch, then we code it using APIs and modules. This is our step-by-step process. So we start with Python, learn machine learning, data analysis, data visualization, then move on to classical deep learning, and then we move on to generative AI. So Python, machine learning, that covers supervised and unsupervised learning, everything from scratch. Then we go on to deep learning, that covers all the aspects of deep learning other than the generative AI part of it. That includes image processing, audio processing, different types of neural networks, NLP, everything from scratch, opening everything, teaching you till the time you are not satisfied. Complete hand holding in live sessions, complete hand holding in one-to-one sessions, complete hand holding in on-call support, everything. And we also have very limited seats for it because I believe in small batch size and individual attention. That is what I believe in. And trust me, enrolling into my course will be the best decision of your life. I'll make you master artificial intelligence from scratch. Good luck.